Today I finally got my District 9 DVD. I bought this off of the K-pop music store Korea. It's based off of Montreal, and I pre-ordered this in January and it finally came in. This is the postcard that came with it. It's got all of them at the District 9 Unlock tour. Pretty. I'll put that right here. Alright. My favorite part, opening it up. I don't remember what comes with this, so we will just have to open it and see. I did order the Blu-ray one as well, but that doesn't come out until February 28th, so I'm still waiting for that. Looks like a nice little book. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but I'm glad it's not super big because I don't have that much space left on my bookshelf, and I kind of want to save some room for their new comeback. But I'm so excited to watch this. It feels really nice. I kind of don't like how they have the sticker right here. I wish the sticker was on the back, but then again, where would they put it on the back? Alright. Wow. It kind of reminds me of the In Life album, but a lot thicker. I love the black and gold. This is like my type of aesthetic. Dark black and like a touch of silver or gold. Ooh. That's it. These are all the stuff that comes. Ooh, it is cold. It just came in the mail and it's kind of freezing outside because I live in Canada. But yeah. Oh, there's the two DVDs. Disc 1, Disc 2. I'll be watching this right after this unboxing. Cool. Ooh, we've got some stickers. Wow. This is when they all had short hair and kind of the same hair color going on. And now the picture book. It's thick and cold because it just came from outside. We've got Bangchan, Lino. Wow, that is a nice picture. Changbin, Hyunjin, Han, Felix. Wow, Felix looks really good in this picture. Don't mind the vacuuming. Seungmin. Wow. Baby Ian. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't wait to watch it. Dance practice. I don't want this video to be so long, so I'm just gonna try and flip through it pretty fast. But yeah. But that's about it.